Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another music class for reading for the guitar. Okay, so here I have my guitar, and today we're down to the last E string. We've done 5 strings so far, and today we're doing the last open string, which is the E string. The string biggest, the largest string, which is E, also known as the sixth string. Okay, so here we have the notes E. Okay, you can see here with the cursor here, this is the open E, which I'm playing without fretting anything. I'm only playing this last note. Then the next note we have F. Okay, this is what F looks like. F is played by fretting on the first string, first fret, sorry, first fret. Okay, and the next note that we have to learn is G, which we fret with the third finger on the third fret. Okay, so we have E, F, G. Okay, so the notes are here E, F, G. Okay, now you look over here, you can see this E is written after 3 of these lines at the bottom. Okay, these lines are called ledger lines. So after 3 ledger lines we have E, then we have F, which is on the third ledger line, and G. Okay, G is just below the second ledger line. So let's do some reading with this particular notes. Okay, so this is a song called Driving Bass. As you can see, it starts with a G. Okay, now the time signature is C, which is common time. So common time stands for 4/4 or 4 crotchet beats in a bar. Now the first set over here we have 4 quavers. Okay, so we'll be counting. When we see quavers in a bar, like this is a crotchet, you'll know, and these are quavers. Quavers are half beat, crotchets are full beat. So when you see quavers, we start counting and. Now in this bar from here to here, I have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. The next bar again, I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But with the quavers, I'll be counting also and. I'll be counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay. So we're dividing that first beat between 1 and. So 1 and the first beat, 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I will play this E note as 1. Just look at the cursor how it's going. 1 and 2 and 3 and this 3 and is on the G note. So 4 notes of E, 2 notes of G. 1 and 2 and 3 and the last beat 4 is a crotchet. So I have to give it a value of 4 and plus the and. Okay, so let me just jump the cursor. Look at my line, the cursor, how I jump it and count. Okay, keep an eye on the cursor. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then again 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the quavers which are beamed, you can see this beam here, they're getting half a beat basically. Then it continues again 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the last fourth bar is going 1 and 2 and. Now this is a minim which is 2 crotchet beats. So it remains for 3 and 4 and. So it remains for the third beat as well as the fourth beat. Okay, so now of course I'm going to play the notes starting from the first bar. Look at it how I'm playing. Okay, let's have a look here. Okay, now when I play, I'll be playing E, then the next note is G, and then the next note will be A. Now A is on the next string, which is the 5th string, this 5th string. So I'm jumping to the 5th string from the 6th string. Okay, so look at the bar from the beginning. I'm going to count from the E. 1 and 2 and now G, 3 and 4 and is on the A of the 5th string of this 5th string. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and continue, and 2 and 3 and 4 and similar bars, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now finish 3 bars. Now the next bar starts on an E. Now as you know, E is on the 4th string 2nd fret. You can see me playing over here. Okay, so that 4th bar I'll play now. There are 3 E's, so I'll play 1 and 2, and now on the 2 and there is a D note, which is an open 4th string. So let me play that bar, those first 4 quavers with a beam. You can say E, 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 D. Then again it's E but with a minim. So I'll be holding for 2 beats, which is 3 and 4 and. So let me play that whole 4th bar where you can see that E7th written over there. So I'll play that E, D, E, okay, so 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so I'm going to play the first full top line. Watch me play. In fact, just keep your eye on the music better. Okay, let me go 1 and 2 and 3 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and continue. Next note, second line starts on an A, which is the 5th string open. A is the 5th string open. This one, this string which is played open. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, on the 3 and I'm playing a G. You can see here on the 3 is here A, but the and of the 3 I'm playing a G, and then 4 and will be open E, which is the 6th string. So let me play the second line, first bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again 1, continue this next bar, and 2 and 3 and 4 and now again the next bar, which is the second last bar here, is going to start with E again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now the last bar starts on a C. Okay, so the C note is on the 5th string. 5th string, the 3rd fret. So this is C. C, 2 C's are there. You can see C, C. Then the next note is A, which is the open string on the 5th string. So I have C, C, A, then G, which is on the 6th string, and the last note is A again on the 5th string open. So I'll play that last bar, C, C, A, G, C, A, sorry, A. I'll play it again, C, 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 A, C, C, A, G, A. Okay. So you can see on top there are some chords where the teacher will accompany. So it will go 1, 1, and it will go. Teacher will play. Now the teacher will play the chord over here. Okay, so that you require 2 guitars basically for this. Someone to play the chord, someone to play the melody. So I'm going to play the whole melody of this starting from the beginning, so you can follow and learn it and play. Okay, let me go. Third bar now. Fourth bar. Now second line. Okay, so that was the basic song. Let us go to one more song to practice now. All the 5 strings. Okay, next one is low gear. This starts on your G. So I'm playing. Note the timing here because we also have quavers here. You can see these beam notes are quavers. I'll start counting and. Time signatures, common time, which is 4/4. So I'll be counting. Watch the cursor. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay. So that will be the timing basically. I'll start on the G. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now next note is F. Okay, we'll just learn this F note. Note is on the third ledger line. F, 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 F. Now third bar G, 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 then D. D is the fourth string. So I jump directly to the fourth string. Okay. Continue. Second line G, 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 F, 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 G, 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 D, D, G. Okay. This last note G is a dotted minim, which is three beats. So I'll have to hold that note for 1 and 2 and 3 and the last is a rest which I have to take out. I won't play it for the fourth beat. So I'll play the G for 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I'll leave. Okay, so let me do the whole song from the beginning. G, 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 F, 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 G, 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 D, 3 off, G, 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 F, 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 G, 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 D, D, G. Okay? So that was low gear. Why they call it low gear? Basically, we are playing low notes. So they are calling it low gear. Okay, next one, running the notes. Okay, this is a slightly bigger song. I'll just play it, put the screen at the side. Okay, so there are much more notes over here. Let us try this. Come on. We are starting with E. E, 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 E. Now F, 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 F. Third bar G, 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 F, 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 F. No, sorry, that is A. A. Okay, let us take that again from the beginning. E, 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 F, 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 G, 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 G. Now A, 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 A. Now G. For the next bar, we are playing a B note. Okay, so B is here, 5th string, 2nd fret. Okay, B, 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 B. Now please note on top what is F and G and all written on top. Those are the chords, those are not the notes. Basically, where the G is written on the second line, the note is not a G, it is a B. Okay, so we are playing B, 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 B. Next note is C, 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 C. Then we have a D, 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 and the last note is E. 1, 2, 3, off. Now continues F, 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 F. Here the F chord is written and it's an F note also. So F, 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 F. Then G is an open string, third open string. G, 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 G. Then next bar where F is written is A note. A, 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 A. A is where A is on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. 3rd string, 2nd fret. A, 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 A. Now B is open string. Next, where the C is written, that note is a B, which is the 2nd string open. Continue. The last line, C, 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 C. Next note is D, 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 D. Now, second last bars, E, F, F, G, G, and back to C. with C. This C is on the second string, first fret. So basically we are running through all the notes starting from E. E, F, 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 G, G, then A, B, C, D, E. Then we go to the third line starting on F. F, 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 G, 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 then A, then B, 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 then C. On the last line, beginning is C, then D. Now the second last bar, E, F, F, G, G, and back to C. Okay. So basically what they've done for this lesson is they've run through all the notes that we have learned in the 6 strings. I have played once. Let's look at it. E, F, G, then A is open, fifth string. A, then B is here. B, then C, then D is open, fourth string. D, then E is here. Second fret, fourth string. E, F, third fret. Then G is open, third string. Okay, G, then A is here, second fret of the third string. Okay, after A we have B, which is the open string, second string. Then we have C, which is on the second string, first fret. D, second string again, third fret. Then E, high E, open string, first string. Then F and G. Okay, so this was a run through all the notes. Okay, I'm going to keep these 3 lessons at the end of the lesson. You can pause the video and take a printout and practice these 3, which are the 3 running notes, low gear, and driving bass. Okay, do these 3. So we'll have finished all the 5 strings. Finished all the 5 strings meaning we have just run through the notes, and we shall do some more practice to get more familiar with all the strings from the 1st to the 6th. Okay, for various different songs. We'll get into a practice session the next time. Okay, boys and girls, bye, take care till the next lesson. Bye.